Hey everybody, Reese here with Arrington Roofing. Today I want to talk about how your roof can pay you back. I have an example up here on the board of a roof. We're going to go through it. This is kind of a typical 30 square roof. So if your home's smaller or bigger than that, just scale these numbers up to fit the size of your home. So we're going to start with a $20,000 roof, and we're suggesting an upgrade to impact resistant shingles for $2,000 and an upgraded ventilation for another $2,000. So the original roof without the upgrades cost you $20,000. Let's say it lasts 20 years. That's a generous estimate. And that's going to cost you $1,000 per year for the $20,000 roof. Now with the upgrades, it's going to cost you $24,000 a year, but because you're getting a thicker shingle and your shingles are going to last a little bit longer with this ventilation upgrade, we're going to give you 24 years. So 24 divided by 24, you're still at about $1,000 a year. Now let's look at the savings you get with these upgrades. You upgrade to impact resistant shingle, your insurance company likes that, so they're going to give you a discount on your premiums most of the time, and it's not always going to be this good, and sometimes it might even be better. But we're going to say about 15 to 25% is the savings you might see. We're going to call that $400 a year on your homeowner's insurance premium savings. Now the ventilation aspect of it, let's say that saves you $300 a year. I know AC bills can be thousands of dollars during the summer, so even if you're saving 10% on your cooling bill, that's going to save you a lot of money over time. So let's say this is $400 a year plus $300 a year. Your total saved is $700 a year. And that continues year after year after year. So this roof down here, this $24,000 roof that costs you $4,000 more dollars, actually costs you, minus the savings you get every year, it's costing you $300. So this roof, the more expensive roof, over time is cheaper. I know it seems too good to be true. It isn't. We try to get our clients to understand this, but your roof can pay you back over time if you do the right upgrades. Now, if the math doesn't work, don't go through with it, but do the math. See if you're going to get the insurance savings. See if how good your ventilation is. You might not need more ventilation, but a lot of times in these old homes that we've worked with, there's none. And that's going to drastically reduce your heating and your cooling costs, and it's going to keep your shingles lasting a lot longer. So consider the upgrades and do the math, and hopefully your roof will pay you back.